Hi everyone, today I will show you how you can make your own vocabulary flashcard, and for that first of all you have to go to Google and search by Quizletcom. Yeah, here is Quizlet.com. Okay, so go there. Okay, fine. So this is Quizlet learning tools and flashcard for free. So go there. Okay, so first of all you have to create an account in Quizlet.com by using your Google account or by your Facebook account. So I have already opened my account, so I'm in my account. So from there you can make your flashcard, you can make your vocabulary, mathematics, or any scientific science class like biology, mathematics, physics, chemistry, any type of flashcard you can make from there. So I want to make a vocabulary flashcard. So and how you can do that? So you have to press this create. Okay, so first of all you have to input a title, like I am writing vocabulary, and here add a description. Okay, from my reading article. Okay, so I usually use to learn vocabulary from my daily reading, and it's from the New Yorker magazine, the Economist. So I have already opened a New Yorker magazine. I already read and detect some word which I don't know, so I want to learn this word. So I can do that? So just like this word inside, so go there and put in here inside. Okay, so inside just click here, you will show it will show the meaning of the word. So like to roast, to stir up, or on. Okay, so this is the meaning of the word, and from there you can upload or add a image, and the image will make your learning more easier. It's like mnemonics, so like stir up, so more related this figure. Okay, then second word from there. Okay, so anticipated. Okay, anticipate. Okay, click there. To expect, regard as, probable, expect, or predict. Okay, so click here. Okay, so this figure is most. So see, this kid is opening his box. See, maybe anticipate this is his birthday gift. Okay, so then next word. Okay, so basically this is the article from the New Yorker magazine, 27 July 2020, and I have video how we can download the PDF of the New Yorker magazine. Check in the description box below, link here. So then the next word, endure. Endure. Okay, here, to carry on through despite hardship, to put up with. Okay, this figure. Okay, the next one is brutalized. Okay, brutalized. Okay, attacked in a savage or violent way. So figure from there. Okay, so see this kid, she is attacking violently. Okay, not you. Okay, then lynched. Okay, lynched, and here, to put to death without authority or a trial. Okay, in a movement maybe. Yeah, this figure. So you can add a lot of what you want to. So I am just added 5 words, then click the create button. Okay, so our flashcard is already created. Okay, so see, you will get a link from here, and from here you can send the link with your friend or your classmate. You can share the link in Facebook and Twitter, in other social medias, and you can also send the link via email. So I'm not doing this here. Okay, so I'm just open this flashcard. Okay, see,
incite, to rouse, stir up, urge on. Regard as probable, expect or predict.
Which is the meaning of
Anticipate.
this word. Okay, so here you see the definition is first, then the word is coming. So you can set this from there. Sorry, go to option and okay, so definition. Okay, from there. Okay, see.
Regard as probable, expect or predict. Endure. To carry on through despite hardships, to put up with. Brutalized. Attacked in a savage or violent way. Lynched. To put to death without authority or a trial.
Okay, so this is the way how you can make your own flashcard by using Quizlet.com. So maybe you learn vocabulary by searching in Google, like I'm searching anticipate. Okay, anticipate. So it's a good way to learn vocabulary from Google, as you will get a lot of synonym and antonym here. But the collection of this word is little bit tough. So for removing this difficulty, you can use your flashcard, and the flashcard will provide you more opportunity to revise them more and again. So I hope it will help you. If you like the video, thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.